Hi guys, Carl here from Wallace Tech. Meet the new realme P4 Lite launching in the Philippines this June. This is an affordable device that's already addressing one of the biggest pain points of consumers, battery life, with its 7,000 mAh battery. Here's what I think about it, but first, quick unboxing muna tayo. Hi guys, welcome to Wallace Tech. We preview and review devices as we get them, so it would mean the world to subscribe or follow wherever you're watching this video and give us a like to see more. Before everything else, let's do a quick unboxing. We've got the phone in this Titan silver colorway, a clear GPU case, documents, the 15-watt charger, the USB A to C data and charging cable, and the SIM ejector tool. Ang design ng phone, very solid. May 3.5mm audio jack dito for wired audio, then sa side naman may fingerprint scanner sa may power and lock button. Understandable yung konting bigat ng phone na 200 grams dahil sa battery, but it's nowhere hard to bring around. Okay pa din gamitin even one hand for long periods of time. Durable din to as this has IP64 protection, which means it can be safely used kapag umaambon or biglang matapunan ng tubig from your table. The best part of the phone is undeniably its battery capacity. Imagine 7,000 mAh battery, tapos ang ganda ng battery life. Kung kukombine mo siya sa Realme UI 7 na maganda yung optimization, ako na nga yung sumuko. Our PC Mark battery test resulted to a whopping 22 hours and 41 minutes. Almost 3 days in real-life moderate use with a few social media apps, calls and texts, a browse online, and video apps. With the 15-watt charger, almost 3 hours siya bago mag 100%, which is medyo matagal. Pero given na matagal naman yung battery life ng phone hindi mo to charge everyday, unless you're a very heavy user, so okay na din. For its performance, we have the UNISOC P720 chipset here, 4GB of RAM, and storage configurations of up to 128GB. In fairness, kahit ganito, it did not feel sluggish and gets the basic job done. Sakto ito for those na hindi naman kailangan ng ganun ka-demanding na requirements sa phone, and yung mga tipong onting social media lang, call and text, picture-picture, online messaging, via Wi-Fi or mobile data. Gaming-wise, okay naman din siya with the AI gaming partner feature inside the phone, plus may 10,000 cubic millimeter na graphic cooling system to keep the temperatures in check. We played both PUBG and Mobile Legends, which are both good to play at medium settings. Di naman kami naka-experience ng matinding init sa phone even if we're playing this for long periods of time. Then you've got the 6.8-inch HD LCD panel for a phone under 10K. Okay naman siya. Maganda yung viewing angles, vivid yung colors, and maliwanag pa rin even under the sun. Tapos may 120Hz refresh rate siya, which means everything looks smoother sa phone, from the animations to the videos you watch, and even to the games. Audio-wise, you have a single firing loudspeaker at the bottom and malakas naman siya with the 300% ultrasound setting kapag sinagad mo yung volume up niya. The camera setup is quite basic but decent enough for your everyday documentation or social media posting, and you get 1080p recording at 30 frames per second. Okay din yung hyper signal antenna signal nito, very capable to get enough reception from anywhere sa bahay or outside without much issues. So para kanino nga ba talaga tong Realme P4 Lite? If naghahanap ka ng affordable na smartphone na may pangmatagalang battery na hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry kung kailangan mo mag-charge everyday, this phone is it. Di naman siya super powerful in terms of hardware and performance compared to those around its price range, but it gets the job done. Perfect itong Realme P4 Lite para sa mga first-time Android users na ang gusto lang naman ay matagal na battery, pati sa mga TLVS, food delivery, and last-mile parcel courier drivers na kailangan ng ganitong driver para sa kanilang pang-araw-araw na trabaho. The Realme P4 Lite will be offered in two configurations, 64GB and 128GB storage, and both are priced under 10,000 pesos. Yung full SRP and other details will be around on June 4. Read more on our full review and all the information you need on the new Realme P series in the Philippines at our website, wallacetech.com.